Engine. The engine is usually located in the front of the vehicle. The engine converts one form of energy into mechanical energy, which is then used to propel the car. The internal combustion engine, ICE, is the most commonly used engine type in automobiles. Such engines rely on the combustion energy of gasoline, diesel fuel, or, in rare cases, another kind of fuel. Electric and hybrid motors are also becoming increasingly popular. You can see a 4-cylinder, 16-valve gasoline internal combustion engine. This engine's operating cycle consists of 4 strokes: intake, compression, power, exhaust. The engine has numerous subsystems such as the intake system, exhaust system, fuel supply system, cooling system, and others. The internal combustion engine generates mechanical work, and the torque is then transferred to the transmission system via a flywheel. The transmission is the device that connects the engine to the drive wheels. It transfers, changes, and distributes torque to the drive wheels. Transmissions are classified based on the type of gearbox. The manual gearbox requires the driver to select and change gears by using a gear shift lever and a clutch pedal. In case of the automatic gearbox, to travel forwards, the driver only needs to shift the selector into the drive mode. Further gear changes do not necessitate driver intervention. The type of wheel drive is another significant distinction between transmission systems. You can now see a vehicle with front-wheel drive. Depending on the type of wheel drive, transmissions can have a variety of structures and compositions. A front-wheel drive manual transmission includes the following components: the clutch, manual gearbox, final drive and differential, and axle shafts. The clutch, final drive, and differential are all contained within the same housing as the gearbox. Now we can see how the engine and the transmission interact. The combination of the engine and the transmission system is called the powertrain. Rear-wheel drive is another type of wheel drive. Such transmission also include a propeller shaft. The final drive and differential are located on the drive axle, outside the gearbox housing. And this is an all-wheel drive transmission. In this case, torque is supplied to both axles, full-time or on demand. Its components also include a transfer case, which can be installed in the same housing as the gearbox. The differential, final drive, and propeller shaft are duplicated on the driving axles. Let's return to the front-wheel drive transmission.